If you're getting Roku low power, you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the connections. Ensure that your Roku device is properly connected to the power source. Verify that the power cable is securely plugged into both the Roku device and the power outlet. If you are using an extension cord or power strip, make sure it's functioning correctly. Consider connecting your Roku directly to a wall outlet for optimal power supply. Method 2. Check the cables. The issue can also occur due to a damaged HDMI cable. Unplug each end of the HDMI cable on the Roku player, TV, AVR or soundbar, whatever you have. Then check for any physical damage. If there is any sign of damage on the HDMI cable, replace it immediately. No sign of damage, disconnect and reconnect it. To do so, make sure that the Roku device is turned on. Disconnect the power cords from the source and disconnect the HDMI cables. Wait for a few minutes and then reconnect the power cords first. Then turn on the Roku device and reconnect the HDMI cables. Make sure the cable is connected firmly and there is no loose connection. Now check if the problem is solved. Method 3. Check the HDMI port. Sometimes the HDMI port on your Roku may be faulty. Plug the cable into a different HDMI port on the device if available and check if the issue persists. Method 4. Use official adapters. Using third-party power adapters can indeed cause issues with Roku and even damage your Roku device. Stick to the official Roku power supply to ensure compatibility and safety. Look for any labels or markings on the adapter itself. Official Roku adapters typically have the Roku logo and model information printed on them. Visit the official Roku support page and check the images of their official adapters. Compare these images with your adapter. Method 5. Update the Roku software. If you get access to Roku settings, then you can update your Roku software. An outdated system version can be responsible for triggering such errors. To update the Roku, head to Settings. Select System. Select Software Update. Confirm if prompted. Wait for the process to complete. Wait till the system installs the latest updates. Once done, you can restart the system and check. Method 6. Clear device cache. You can force restart the Roku device to fix issues. To do that, unplug Roku from the power source if you cannot shut it down normally. Then wait for a couple of minutes before reconnecting everything and restarting Roku. If you have access to Roku settings from the home screen, press the home button on the remote 5 times, then press the up arrow button. Now, press the rewind button twice, and then press the fast forward button 2 times. Wait for Roku to restart. Temporary data, called cache and cookies, can get corrupted and make more space over time, so they cause unexpected issues. This process should clear the cache on the Roku device, and by doing that, you make sure you can prevent additional issues on Roku. Method 7. Reset the Roku device. You can also perform a factory reset for the Roku device in question. If the methods shown here don't work, you may need to factory reset your Roku device. This will erase all your settings and channels, so be sure to note down any important information first. Try performing a factory reset or hard reset on the device to clear any cached data or settings that may be causing the update issue. To do that, open Settings, then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. Method 8. Remove other devices. Other devices connected to the same power strip or outlet can cause low power problems for your Roku. Each device draws power, and the cumulative effect can result in low power problems. To resolve the low power issue, you can try using a dedicated outlet for your Roku. Method 9. Contact Roku. If the issue is not resolved after performing the methods shown in this video, you can check the Roku community for help. Users might have faced similar issues and have suggestions. And there you have it, the methods to fix Roku low power issues. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.